The United Democratic Party held a meeting of the Central Executive Committee at the party office in Shillong on the 20th of March 2023. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, the working president of the UDP, Jemino Mawthoh, expressed satisfaction at the performance of the party in the recent Meghalaya Legislative Assembly elections in February this year, where the UDP had won 11 seats against 6 in the last elections of 2018.
Ki MLA, ki MDC, ki candidates ki jongi. Ila iyo banyak keren bah hagabai day bat kenika election kabula barang sudep. Tingila yo ya ka review. Ile kenika review. Begin yo ya keniki input semua. Ki observations nakaliang jong ki district prepare jong ke parti ki jongi. Dia semontanat mengiyo bani kendo akan digerukom hadian ke election. Dia walada ka jingkmi lenti jongi kalong kambun akan digenti ke pemerintah. Dia henry nakita ke babon le semo im shimla banyo bon seat. Dia henry ladangi anujor dan by day bak election al-hajar kat pra aku tu kapor ni job tahun reusip dan rementa ke parti ilayo penjob adu kat wisi dilarang ipet ya ketika vote share hak ni ke election ke pementaru akasi jane hills ke vote share jong ke UDP kelong adu 40.0% ke NPP ke vote share jong ka tanga khasi jane hills kelong 0.7%. Dilarangi yakran hakabaite but ka performance jong party jongi ngaskoba menta hakani ka ganti assembly elections arjar apply ngila le khamba ban ke election ladap house nem arjar khapra.
While referring to the elections to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly at Sohiong constituency, the working president of the UDP informed that the name of the candidate will be announced on the 25th of March 2023 at the upcoming meeting at Sohiong. At the same time, he said that preparations to the MDC elections in 2024 have been entrusted to the core committee of the party. On the General Council of the party, Mawthoh further informed that the same has been scheduled for the month of May this year. Bite 2.
Dia kejuk poru kaliang jongi nilai keren kumno bangin penkria ya kenika election sebagai district council keman salong la simsnam. Dia ya keniru la IT haka core committee jongka party ban berkat akan urukom ban ya ceprang akan bide berkena kecing penkria ya ka MDC elections la simsnam. Baca kawai ke bangi la ya keren ha kelong akan bide berka General Council jong party. Di kemopiatif ba mencipsnem kakadwai trik jong 9 September ngila dengan pelong ya ke General Council tambah natadaw jong keting don no jong di assembly elections di ngihaban postpone no ikani but ngila ya propose pan pelong ya ke General Council jong party UDP how blind me mendasna